SAT math people. Today we're going to continue our work with exponents. Okay, let's do some math. Given 2 times the square root of x minus k equals x minus 6, what is the solution if k equals 3? So that's the expression 2 times the square root of x minus k equals x minus 6. Let's square both sides to get rid of that radical. So to do that, you would have to distribute, you'd have to square each term. So we're going to square the 2 and we get 4, and we're going to square the square root of x minus 3, which is x minus 3. Now we're going to distribute that 4 throughout. So we get 4x minus 12, and then we're going to expand the right-hand side, x minus 6 times x minus 6. And to expand the right-hand side even more, we're going to use the FOIL method. So the first two terms are x times x, which is x squared. The outer terms is x times minus 6, which is minus 6x. The inner terms are minus 6 times x, which is minus 6x. And the last two terms are minus 6 times minus 6, which is positive 36. Combine those middle two terms, minus 6x, and we get minus 12x. And now what we're going to do is we're going to subtract x squared, add 12x, and subtract 36 from both sides so that we get everything on the left-hand side and 0 on the right side. So here we get minus x squared plus 12x plus 4x is 16x, and minus 36 minus 12 is minus 48. And the right-hand side, everything subtracts out and goes to 0. Okay, so now we're going to multiply both sides by -1 to get rid of that negative x squared, so we can factor that. So we get x squared minus 16x plus 48 equal to 0. Now we're going to factor x squared minus 16x plus 48, and I've already factored it, but the way I did that is you find two numbers such that when you add them together you get minus 16, and when you multiply them together you get positive 48, and negative 4 and negative 12 work because negative 4 plus negative 12 is 16, and negative 4 times negative 12 is positive 48. So that is the answer. Set that equal to 0. And then we can, if any of those two terms are 0, the whole thing is 0, because 0 times anything is 0. So we take x minus 4, that term, set it equal to 0, and we take the term x minus 12 and set that equal to 0. And we get x equals 4 and x equals 12. Okay. Let's put the first number 4 in. If for x equals 4 in the expression, we get 2 times the square root of 4 minus 3 equals 4 minus 6. And then we get 2 times the square root of 1, which is 2, because the square root of 1 is 1. But on the right-hand side, we get 4 minus 6, which is negative 2, and that's not the solution. So it cannot be 4. So be careful with these. You got to check your work. And if x equals 12, then it does work because you get 2 times the square root of 12 minus 3 equals 12 minus 6. And 2 times the square root of 9 is equal to 6. And 12 minus 6 equals 6. And 2 times 3 is 6. And before I say what the answer is, you could have just plugged in the 4, the 12, and the 3, which is what the answers are in the very beginning, and it probably would have saved you a lot of time, and you would find out that the answer is D, x equals 12.